Well, this is the end of the day of part of the moving the bed project. And so now this is the state of my living room. We've got all of the bedding that was on the other bed here in this area, blankets, pillows, more blankets, sheets, and then a couple of coats and covers over there, all stacked up there. These things need to go back into underneath the bed, which I'm in the process of doing that. And I'm looking, I'm like, oh my goodness, I am in such a state of a mess. And so I had to put those things out here and get literally everything out of the bedroom so that this project could be done. And my foot just got caught on something, so I've got to walk more slowly. And so here is more stuff out of the bedroom. Who knew that just that little bitty bedroom had all of this stuff? These things were under the bed as part of blocking out the cold from the outside area where you can come in. And that was just where things were stored. But I just put extra insulation on the bottom with some styrofoam. And then here's my box for my window project, and then clothes that are on top of it, and other things that were stored in there. And so get in and can show a little bit of the progress. Actually, it's coming out really, really well. So now the bed is sideways, which is incredible. The foam mattress has been cut down, so now this is a twin size bed. And I can walk in, and I don't have my cane, so I've got to do this in just the right way. But there is a tremendous amount of room. This is part of the foam bed that got cut out. I'm going to actually use that to put up to the back of that wall when I'm not sleeping on it, because that's kind of make it look like a little day bed. It'll just be attractive. And so there is so much more room. And I have to pause this for a second. In order to get to the bed without falling, I had to be able to put the phone down. But yeah, there's still a mess. But what's going to be nice is in this area, I am got some crates that I had at my old house. They're wire, and you clip them together, and they're really good and strong. They'll look really good here. And then I'll have a little extra storage for some clothes and things like that. I'll be getting some bins that will just slide into them. That'll be really nice. And then over here, the door. And then took the, here's the new sheets that are going to go on here. But this was cut down. We lost about 4 or 6 inches off of here. But I still have the nightstand, which will give me a place to put my phone and things like that at night. And then I still have this for storage. So that's going to be really good. Just get it all neat and organized. But what an incredible amount of room there is here. And my friend was able to get this. Hold on for a second. So the bed still comes up, and it's so much easier than it was before, because those hydraulics are, they lifted the whole bed before. Same ones. He managed to get those in just the right spot. The water tank is gone. It's actually in storage. So if I ever sell the trailer, then there's still space for the water tank for somebody. I will be enclosing this area a little bit to protect all of this so it doesn't have stuff fall on it. But still a good amount of storage under the bed. So I've been here over a year. Still have a lot to do. get the window curtain rods up. I was thinking about moving this, but I think I'm going to still keep it there. And I might put something else over there to mimic it, but it's going to be really, really nice. Still have this back over here. The electric blanket, unfortunately, it is for a queen size bed, and I had it on a full size bed in the first place, so that was a challenge. But got good bones, and so able to work with it and have somebody who works on RVs that knows what they're doing. He had some time, and so now this is part of the doing. I cannot wait until I get everything put where it needs to go. Get the new bed wrap, bed mattress mat. Say that again twice, right? Get the new mattress protector on it and adjust these so they fit it right. New sheets. And then I'm going to have to work with the blankets that I had before. And I think the one blanket that was that I had, I might be able to cut it down and be able to put it over that pad, that part of the pad. I don't know. It's a work in progress, but boy, this is great. It is going to be so much safer to go from the bathroom to get into bed. I will have to use my cane, but that's okay. Oh, I'm out of breath. It's been a long day. Oh, I hope you will come back and watch some more. Hey, please give me a thumbs up. I could really use some thumbs ups. And I hope you take care. Bye-bye.